Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here for doing one English speaking practice. So this is my way of doing practice in this YouTube channel. So past couple of days back I was preparing for one of the exam which is well known in financial industry, such as like it is an entry level in if somebody want to do some sort of thing in options or trading kind of thing. So it is the exam for like clearing getting a job in futures and like trading field. So the exam name is NISM, right? So we need to give some sort of examination, and after that we got certification that we are certified. At least we do have some sort of basic knowledge of options, futures, and you can say derivatives, which is a vast product. And it is a like a exam which we can give like whenever we want, and there is some sort of like 250 pages of books which we need to prepare ourselves for exam, and most of the questions are coming in these particular books, and they do have a like weightage of chapters. So currently I have basically read whole the books a couple of times, but still I'm lacking behind the concept of like why these things happen, because in finance field you cannot able to just scam the things, you need to understand the whole concept. So yeah, find out feel sometime that I have completed all the things, but still after giving the mock test basically I cannot able to get desired marks. So this exam is very difficult, you can say, sometimes for a beginner who is coming just to clear the exam to get financial field. He should need to have at least 3 to 4 years of experience in options as well, and the understanding of derivatives. So yeah, I've been like preparing for past couple of 1 to 2 weeks for exam, but previously I do have some sort of basic knowledge, basic understanding how it works. But after reading the books I feel like I do not have some sort of knowledge. So this is kind of thing. And in the exam basically there is 100 marks questions coming, and in all the questions we need to get 60 correct answers. Because of that we can able to pass. Otherwise there is also negative marking as well, 0.25% if we correct 4. So in particular if we done some sort of wrong one thing, so there is 0.25 marks will like debit, you can say that this thing happens. So yeah, this is the reason. And so whatever we learned we need to understand that admit only this which question which we remember. So yeah, so that is why I am concerning about it. And last like within 3 to 4 days days basically I have booked the exam. And yeah, let's see what is going to happen. I think preparely basically I have given a lot of mock tests, but still I found out that I didn't prepare myself fully to get like 70 to 80% correct. Because like if you correct 70 to 80%, then after you can able to get 60%. So this is huge. After after getting all the things, whenever I read the books again and again I found out everything read it, I just cannot like do the things again and again. I just book the exam, just try to give it one shot. When whatever the things happen, if it's not gone in my favor, so I'll just do it again. So yeah, preparing for exam is like in my career I'm giving only the first time. And like competitive exams such as like this is not a competitive exam, but yeah. And like by putting my efforts towards like this kind of examination, because I feel like this doesn't matter for my career. Because I can I'm trying to basically get into it. If I didn't get any some sort of certification, so my knowledge are like wasteful. So after getting the knowledge, I can, after getting the certificate, I can say that I have the certification, so that people can listen me, right? There is a lot of field in finance field, like equity research, investment banker, lot of fields are there, but they require a lot of time. But nowadays there less time nowadays everyone have, so because of that, that's why I'm like giving these exams, so we can I can understand the concept, and after that getting some sort of job in this kind of field, I can able to get like a whole, basically I can get into the finance field. This is one my motto is. So for today's video, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. So keep subscribing to my channel, so that you can get the result. I'll post in the YouTube as well, whatever the things happen. So bye bye. Have a good day.